Haribabu from Maslipatnam. It gives me immense pleasure to share my experience and transformation of my life through meditation. It took 5 years to enter meditation. I experienced so many experiences by doing meditation. First of all, power of present. First of all, we have to discuss on a present moment of my career, my life. Meditation brings creativity in everyone's life. I would like to share my experience about creativity by doing meditation in my life. I have heard the word celebration in Pyramid Meditation Society. I heard this word so many times, celebration. What is celebration? Celebration, celebration. By practicing meditation and enjoying meditation, I have known the real meaning of celebration from my inner celebration. Whenever I started to think about celebration, just a small description about celebration analysis by my inner celebration, cells, vibration, brevity, elation. Whenever we started to practice meditation, the cells in our body filled with energy. Whenever the cells filled with energy, it started to vibrate. Vibration, energy. Whenever our cells filled with energy, we are so much energetic. Whenever we are so much energetic, whenever we become energetic, then we will become very courageous, brave. We won't feel fear. We won't afraid when we face struggles, challenges. We are ready to face any kind of circumstances, any kind of struggle. There is no suffering at all in that state. Whenever you are ready to face circumstances, challenges, due to meditation we can get the readiness. Here cells are filled with energy, vibration. Whenever we are become brave from timidness, whenever you are ready to face challenges, we are all in the state of elation. We are all in a state of brimming joy, overflow of joy. We are in bliss. There is no fear. There is no timidness. We become courageous being. We let go of timidness, fearfulness, cells, vibration, brevity, elation. What will be there? Continuous joy, elation, bliss, overflow of joy, brimming joy. That is the power of meditation. Then, whenever we experience, whenever we enjoy this kind of bliss, enjoyment, happiness, rejoice, we become celebrity. Actually, before come to meditation, I heard about the word celebrity. I have different kind of perception about celebrity before entering the meditation. The people who are very influenced with their power, pomp, that financial support, that some charisma in career, I perceived those are celebrities. But whenever I entered in meditation, the celebrity, the celebrities are not those kind of people. Those who are filled with, who are filled their cells with vibration, with joy, bliss, rejoice. They are the real celebrities in their life. I have known this truth. I experienced this fact by practicing meditation. This was known to this world. So many pyramid masters by the Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji. In the initial stage of my life, in the early stage of my life, whenever I have completed my SSC 10th class, I undergone chemical imbalance. I suffered a lot by the chronic disease, chemical imbalance. Due to this chronic disease, chemical imbalance, I experienced so many struggles, unnecessary thoughts, obsessive thoughts, fears, like that. Whenever I encountered the people who have been suffering with some struggles, I may feel, I may also get that kind of problem, that kind of disease, that kind of struggle, like that, chemical imbalance. I was a desperate condition, hopeless condition at that time. I met that doctor, psychiatric, and then I took the prescription for 12 years. Due to that prescription, that allopathy medicine, that I experienced so many problems by practicing that medication. Then I was in desperate condition. Then I wanted to commit suicide also because of lack of confidence, self-confidence. Then at that time, while I was doing my post-graduation in Andhra University, once effortlessly I went to my professor Rajendra Karmarkar. Then I explained my grief and my struggle in my life about my problem, this chronic problem, chemical imbalance. Then at that time, the grace of the universe, I have known, I have received meditation from my professor. Then I started to practice meditation. Within a short span of time, I was recovered, and it started to getting self-confidence. by practicing meditation. And this meditation is so helpful in my profession also. And one more thing is I have to share here. Last February month, I went to Quantum Life University. Here, there is a tremendous change in my life. Like before Quantum Life University, after Quantum Life University. There, Quantum Life University, which was located in 150 acres and initiated by Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi Amma, and my life totally experienced that transformation. There, first of all, that one concept, karma yoga, nishkama karma, it brought a tremendous change in my life. I experienced the healing and let go of so many struggles and reformation, reconstruction of cells in my body. And whenever I returned from Quantum Life University, I have experienced the power of that wisdom which I had learned in that university, in every aspect, in every step of my career, my life. Mainly, whenever I returned from Quantum Life University, I have known the life purpose. Then before I entered the Quantum Life University, just I started that practicing of natural farming. Due to that teachings of that Dr. Newton, Dr. Lakshmi, then I have known the real life purpose of mine, and I started that natural farming in a spiritual way. I have learned how to connect with Mother Earth, how to get the energy from the Mother Earth, and how to speak to the plant kingdom and mineral kingdom and birds also. And because of practicing natural farming, now I am in a blissful state. Whenever I entered that field, natural farming field, I used to get into the blissful state very easily. Then here I would like to share one more experience. Here, first of all, before entered this natural farming field, this project, I used to practice cultivation by using chemicals. One day, I went to my field, agriculture field. I have been observing how the rats are spoiling and cutting the crop, and how they are spoiling. I am observing. Then I started to get in that field and started to walk in the midst of that crop. I have experienced some creatures like a small fish. They are touching my feet. Whenever they touch my feet, the sensation touching my heart. The next day, I went to the same place and I observed the crop, and after some time I started to spray the chemical on the crop. Again, I have experienced the same experience that small creatures in that water, they are touching my feet. The sensation touching my heart. Then, whenever I experienced the touch, the sensation of that small creatures from my feet to my heart, I stood there without any movement, and my eyes are overflowing with grief. Then I heard one message from my inner. You have known the fact, you have known the truth in the meditation. We should not harm to any creature in the creature. We should not harm to any creature, anybody in this universe, in this nature. You have known the fact. Why are you harming to the nature and the small creatures by spraying the chemicals? The question arises from me, within me. At this moment, I decided not to use pesticides, insecticides, any chemicals on the crop and in the cultivation. After some days, I went to the same field. In which location I have experienced this kind of experience, at the same location, whenever I entered there, I touched that soil under my feet. I heard a small message within. Mission Sanjeevani. Save the earth, save the birth. I heard this voice, this message within me. That is Mission Sanjeevani. Save the earth, save the birth. The main objective, the main motive, the main aim of Mission Sanjeevani, the project Mission Sanjeevani, is save the earth, save the birth, save the earth by cultivating natural farming, spiritual farming. Very soon, later, by selecting 9 members and collectively we have started the Mother Earth project Mission Sanjeevani. Collectively registered Mission Sanjeevani, Save the Earth, Save the Birth, as a trust, and collectively we are in spiritual farming. These are the tremendous changes and transformation in my life by getting into meditation. Now we started to use Mission Sanjeevani, the committee members collectively cultivating natural farming with the help of pyramid energy also. It is mainly cow dung and cow urine based, and by adding pyramid meditation in this natural farming, it is very useful to resonate the existence of Mother Earth to reform Mother Earth, and now we are at the time of shifting Mother Earth, shifting to fifth dimension. Okay, my dear friends, meditation is nothing but made attention. Made attention. It is useful to everybody in every aspect in our life. You are also use this pyramid energy and practice meditation in pyramid, and you can get this kind of happiness, rejoice, a brimming joy and bliss, and you can also be very happy in your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All is well.